Model, 2014 Renault Master MOVANO long wheelbase, diesel front-wheel drive LM35dCi 125 medium roof van, simple fix, very low miles for the age, yummy face, top spec bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 77,695. MOT, the 11th of December 2024. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-125 E5i. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is crunching gears intermittently. We thoroughly checked this gearbox and found out selector arm is faulty and needs replacing. 100%. The rest of the gearbox is completely fine. Open mouth smile. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history.